Impressive. Emma, are you not adding? Come on, I don't. Okay. La 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 la. La 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 la. ఓ మధువానితో స్నేహం కోసం ఎంతో ట్రై చేశా కాళిదాసులాగా మారి కవితే రాసేశా ఓ మధువానితో స్నేహం కోసం ఎంతో ట్రై చేశా దేవదాసులాగా మారి గడ్డం పెంచేశా పుట్టు లేకపోయినా పెట్టు లేకపోయినా పగలు రాత్రి నేను ఎంతో ట్రై చేశా ఓ మగువాని ఓ స్నేహం కోసం ఎంతో ట్రై చేశా కాళిదాసుల ఆగమారి కవితే రాసేశా త్రిపురములోన కిక్కులేదు హల్లో మైనా సన్లైట్ వేల నుంచి మూడులోకి వెళ్ళేదాకా పుట్టము నా గుండెల్లో తాటులన్నీ నీవేగా ఓలనా నీకే కాదమా
today and also for the ones who have left just now. And it's really good to see everyone. And this is just a small kind of token of appreciation what we are giving back to our school, which has provided us a very good platform for our self-development first, and then yes, education. So yeah, so now even I have got a child. Whenever I teach her, first thing, whenever I make her study, and first thing what I remember is how I used to live in this. Right. So whatever we have learned from our children is what we are passing it on to our children now. So it's really good, and though the teachers are not here, my heartfelt thanks. And yeah, and also to the hosting committee for bringing us back, which we have never thought that we would be coming back again after so many years. It's been more than 14 years now. Uh, and I was hoping to see most of my friends. So, yeah. But still, I've met my seniors and I've met most precious our teachers. So that's made my day today. So I'm not leaving with any regrets about. I'm feeling happy and I'm feeling grateful that I've seen most of you whom I never, not even in school, but only through this event, yeah, I got to meet you and I got a chance to, opportunity to meet everyone here. So yeah, that's it. Thanks and yeah, we will hope to meet soon again.
I thought after felicitations, the teachers were being given a chance of speaking, but yet I missed it. Though the chairs are empty, I think all the students must be present here. The old students are new students, right? It would be relevant to first thank the Almighty God for He has been, I don't say He had been, He has been blessing this institution since 1982, since the beginning, since inception. He has been blessing this institution till today and forever. I mean to say, He has blessed this institution, administrators, the teachers, the students, the parents, everyone, abundantly. So only because of His blessing, I'm sure that you're all well settled in your life. Okay? So remember, you believe me or not, I think you people, these 92 to 2010, these past children, you're a role model to me rather. You may think that I'm exaggerating. No, it's true. Because I started in religious, I was there since 1982 till today. I feel there is a change, lots of changes. I don't find that quality, that morality, all gone. But whereas you people, you have sowed the seeds here of humility, morality, everything. And overall development, not only education, but now only people, the parents, the students and all, they give preference only to the education, the marks, the ranks, etc., etc. But in those days, I say those days, everything, overall development, not only education, everything. That's why you're all blessed, I should say. Are you not? I'm sure. Yes. So, you're all children of God. The fear of God is the beginning of knowledge. I hope you all are children of God. You have feared God. That's why you got lots of knowledge, not half knowledge, full knowledge, and you all settle in life. But though I keep on telling nowadays, still I work here. So as soon as anyone comes and asks, hey, Unnada, the first question they ask, Unnada. In the sense, then is he still working? Is he alive? As just President said, the last teacher to be alive. So, I'm very much ecstatic, overjoyed to see you people gathering after so many decades. So nice. I'm sure that all your love, your affection will remain forever. But let me tell you one thing before I close my talk. Okay. You want to hear me? Not bored up with the. Then the children say, what, your master took for a racket. It's a captain. It was a teamwork, right? God the captain, right? Of course, we are all the players. We had good teachers. We had good students. Of course, above all, good parents rather. We had good parents. That's why these batches rather, they have flourished to this extent. I'm very sure. Can anyone say that you're not settled well or got some problem in your life? I don't think so. I can read, I can see. Okay? So all the credit goes to God. You're all children of God. Keep trusting in God. Keep praying for each other. Right? Love your children. Give them a qualitative education. Right? Don't simply beat the children for not getting marks and ranks and all that. Okay? Right? You teach them. That has come gradually. Right? Okay.
I was speaking to that. 92 batch. And today is the day that's filled with happiness for us. So, why we gathered here. So actually, the fact is our friend Lawrence Kumar passed away, I think, last 1.5 years. So that is a sad in our batch. And remaining all, we all each other, we are in contact with each other. And just I want to share our Edward sir punch dialogue in those days. The thing is,
Bhai, I'm very sorry. The most important I forgot to tell you. I'm very indebted. I extend my gratitude to the organizers who had asked you all to come over here. And with so much of, despite all your, your busy schedule, it's very unbelievable you're all coming here. Thank you very, very much. Thank you all. Thank you, President. Thank you all. Continue.
and our Edward sir punch dialogue, did anybody remember? So in class when we are sitting, everybody, suppose anybody will do some noise, no? So the time suddenly sir was writing on the board and suddenly he look up there and hey, what's wrong with the man? What's going on? He'll tell. First time. And after that, okay, they will set right, and after that again he will keep on writing.
98th batch guys, please be
Again here somebody will do noise. Hey, what man? What's wrong with you? Don't test my patience and don't force me to go to jail. These two dialogues I remember. So, and I am. సో అందరికీ చాలా చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ వచ్చిన దానికి. సో ఈ యొక్క ప్రోగ్రామ్ని అందరూ థ్యాంక్స్ సక్సెస్ చేసిన దానికి. సో దేవుడి దయ వల్ల మనం అందరూ ఇక్కడ ఎన్నో ఏళ్ళ తర్వాత మనం ఇక్కడ కలిసాము. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో వన్ రిమెంబరబుల్ ఇన్ అవర్ లైఫ్. సో మామూలుగా ఎవరైతే మన ఫ్రెండ్స్లో ఎవరైతే మనతో ఉండి వెళ్ళిపోయారో వాళ్ళ గురించి మీ ప్రేయర్లో జ్ఞాపకం చేసుకోండి. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
Been a long time without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. It's come a long way where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
మనం కలిసిన క్షణాలు కొన్నైనా మర్చిపోలేని మధుర స్మృతులు ఎన్నెన్నో. కనుల నుంచి దూరమైనా వాట్సాప్లోనైనా కలుద్దాం మిత్రమా. இதெல்லாம் ரூம் போட்டு வச்சுக்கிங்களா?
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Pravina, wife of Lieutenant Pradeep. I was also a student of this school for 3 years. There were also many memories in my life which I can't forget any time. And it is a great privilege and great joy to be here today. And thank you for Prasanna Nana for organizing this. And we love to continue this as and when comfortable and easier for all of us to gather much more now. Thank you.
The greatest, he got a greatest mark. Can you give great applause? She is the state 7th rank in AP intermediate examination. Tell you again. How is the function? How will you do the exam?
I enjoyed a lot and great thanks to my father. He made the event very successful and I was very eagerly to see my father's batch 1994 and everybody. I enjoyed a lot. Thank you.
Thanks of Gloria. We see a great success in your life. Next. You can what?
Myself Bindu Sagar from 2009 batch.
అవసరం
2010, I belong to 2011, but my brother Chandri is here, so I came with him. And that too, I was really happy to meet all my teachers after 6 years. I completed my terms in 2011, and I'm happy to see them all. And I'm so happy that I've seen all my seniors, right from 1992 passed out to 2009. I really appreciate you all. You have come from long distances, I guess. You have taken so much strain, and Prasanna uncle, you're awesome, because we need someone to start this, someone to initiate this. If not him, it wouldn't have been this great today. Thank you, uncle, and thanks for giving me this opportunity.
ఉండేటప్పుడు ఏదో డిజైనింగ్ లైక్ ఏదో నేర్చుకున్నాము అని స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాం. మళ్ళీ అప్పుడు ఫ్రీ వెబ్సైట్ ఒకటి క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఆయన జాన్సన్ చెట్టూరు కూడా చెప్పాను. ఆయన చెప్తే ఓకే ఓకే అన్నాడు. బట్ ఆయనకి ఏం తెలుసో లేదో తెలియదు. బట్ ఐ హ్యాడ్ దట్ వ్యూ ఇన్ మైండ్, ఎప్పటికైనా చేయాలి అని. ఫైనలీ ఈవెంట్ వచ్చినప్పుడు లైక్ ఇంకా నాకు తెలిసింది ఇది ఒకటే, సో అదే చేద్దాము, చేసేదో బెటర్గా చేద్దాము అని స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. ప్రసన్న అన్న వాళ్ళ సపోర్ట్, అనిల్ అన్న అండ్ పవన్ అన్న వీళ్ళందరూ కూడా లైక్ ఫుల్లీ యాక్టివ్గా ఉన్నారు గ్రూప్లో. నాకు కూడా మంచి మోటివేషన్ వచ్చింది, లైక్ ఐ హ్యావ్ టు డూ సంథింగ్ టు ద స్కూల్ అని. దెన్
मुलाकात हो गई जिसे करते थे वही बात हो गई
तो दिन तस्दिया ఏ ఊరు ఏ వాడ చిన్నదానా ఈ గుడు చేరావే చందమామా.
మా ఓన్లీ 5 seconds. ఓ హలో, గెట్ రెడీ, ఓన్లీ 5 seconds.
మావయ్య అన్న పిలుపు మా ఇంట ముద్దలకే పొద్దు పొదుపు. మామయ్య అన్న పిలుపు మా ఇంట ముద్దులకే పొద్దు పొదుపు. కమ్మగా ఆడుతూ పాడుతూ
నా ఓన్లీ 5 seconds guys.
నా ప్రాణమా నీ జీవితం వరాడిలాగా సాగనే.
గెట్ రెడీ guys. నా मैं
मुझे नींद न आए नींद न आए नींद न आए मुझे चैन न आए चैन न आए चैन न आए. न जाना को दिल हो गया, न जाना को दिल हो गया. हालत क्या है मुझे मिजाऊ हो गया. पर्वत बदल बदल में क्या होया. मुझसे प्यार कहे हालत सब पर प्यार है. मेरे समझन को मेरे चिंतन तुम जाए घर जुबन मिलाए. न जाना को दिल हो गया, न जाना को दिल हो गया, न जाना को दिल हो गया, न जाना को दिल हो गया.
याद आ रही है तेरी याद आ रही है. याद आने से तेरी जाने से जान जा रही है. याद आ रही है.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
హాయ్
పండు రోయ్
అక్క మేము పాడాల్సిన పాడక మీరు పాడుతున్నారు.
మీరు పాడుతున్నాం.
ఓకే ఓకే.
హాయ్ జామ్ పండు రోయ్ చూడగానే నూనె నుండి చిన్నగా ఏ పురా